Alright, we got a 2018 Ford Fiesta. We're going to be going and replacing the spark plug. We're going to be showing you how to take out the spark plug. So, in order to take out the spark plug, it's going to be here, 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 and here. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this one over here out. Simply pull this one out and you'll be fine. Take a look, always take a look at how they look from the inside. Make sure it looks good. Make sure there's no mess, no oil on them. Alright, what we're going to do next, we're going to grab our socket, and then from there we're going to be taking it out. Alright, I got the socket. It's going to be a 5/8. It's going to be a 5/8 socket, so we're going to go ahead and install that there. Right now what I'm going to do is just break it free. So let's go ahead and start breaking it free then. Alright, now that it's broken free, I'm going to take out my hand wrench. I'm going to replace it with the electric one. Looks like something's going on with my Ratchet.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
All right. There we go. Alright, simply take it out, and there's our spark plug. Now to put it back in, to install the spark plug back in, you're gonna take out I'm gonna take out my Ratchet, and I'm gonna install this by hand. Make sure it goes in by hand. Get quite a bit of tread on that. Now that I got a good amount of tread in, I'm going to grab my Ratchet again and gently install it. Don't go full power, because you can break it if you do go full power. So just until it gives, that's basically when you're going to know you tighten it enough. Alright, now we're going to grab our torque wrench and we're going to torque it down to spec. Alright, now that I got my torque wrench here, I'm going to go ahead and install that. And I'm going to torque it down to 14 foot-pounds. Now that we torqued it down to spec, we're going to go ahead and start taking this out. Alright, now that we've verified that it's torqued to spec, just go ahead and put the coil back in, the wire coil. Press it in, you're going to hear it pop in. Give it a little wiggle to see if it's in. And usually once you do this, you're going to turn on the car and verify that the the engine is not going rough anymore, and that should be it. Alright.